Hello, welcome. I was up from 4 to 7 this morning. So I actually just kind of woke up from a nap. We are doing another Little Mermaid photo shoot vlog. It'll be different than the other two because the other two focused on like the makeup and those sort of things. And today I'm just gonna show you like all my stuff. As you can see behind me is Prince Eric's costume, which is Avery's costume.
Those aren't mine.
Yeah, Avery doesn't wear the yabos. I have to wear those. So in this nice wig case, there is Ariel. She's got rollers right now because I'm trying to get the wig to curl. If you know anything about wigs and can tell me why my heat-resistant wig will not curl with a curling iron and instead straightens, I would love to understand that. That was confusing. Over here, we have Big Flounder. My tail's in there. All of our goodies are down in there. All of Ariel's gizmos and whatnots and all that good stuff. So before we get there today, I've got to braid my hair back and do my makeup, which if you want to watch how I do those things, that's in one of my other Ariel vlogs, if you're curious. I'm gonna pack some snacks, we have to pick up some lunch, and then it will be pretty pictures with little baby mermaids. So I've got my hair braided, which now that my hair is longer, I can actually braid the whole length of it, which I couldn't do last year. Avery's all clean shaven and stuff, so he can be very princely. Look at him.
Hi there.
He's so cute. And then obviously, you know, we gotta watch the movie because I need to, you know, get into my mental headspace.
Sound like she hadn't watched this movie like 5 times in the last 2 days, but whatever.
Oh, I didn't just watch it last night. Avery headed over to drop off all of our stuff, and I just finished up my face. Doesn't it look like a mermaid? I had to pack up all of the extra makeup that I wanted to take in case, you know, I sweat or I touch my face or I don't know. Stuff like that. I mean, it shouldn't come off, but I have anxiety. I worry. I have this one, and it's got a little Sebastian. I have this one. It has a little flounder on it. These are the things that I would need, like, it has my lipstick in it, which is important to me. I packed it all in this cute bag that Brooke made for me. She's gonna be at the photo shoot. She takes care of all the, like, the people coming in and getting the little kids, like, dressed and ready and all that good stuff. Avery should be back in, like, 15 minutes to pick me up, so I'm gonna go pack my snacks for the day. I'm eating there at 1, and then we're usually not done until, like, 6, so even if I eat, I don't want to be hungry because then, like, my stomach will make all kinds of noises and, like, that's not cute. So I've got cheese cubes, I have pecans, croissants, I've got peanut butter crackers for Avery. I like to make my drink this pretty Ariel cup. I am food motivated. That's how I usually word that. I'm food motivated. We are at our photo shoot spot. Brooke brought her 4 little babies. They're not actually babies, but they are adorable, and they all have on cute little, like, mermaid tops, so hopefully we'll get pictures together at the end. This is actually like a cushion to take a picture of a baby, so it's really squishy, and I sit on that in my tail because I can't move. So I have these weird pink plants, and then, like, reeds, and all of her weird, there's like a fork sticking out of there. This is my secret box. It has mermaid glitters, and I call these dabble bobs instead of cotton swabs. And I put little, like, Vaseline and glitter on the kids. And then I have this table. I have one sparkly Dinklehopper and one shiny one, and then I have my Snarfblat, and I have a mirror, so I can show off, like, all of my treasures and ask them, like, what that looks like to them, and then they'll tell me it's a fork, and then I ask them what they do with it. And then I have my silly, like, kids' instruments so we can play music. This is Hope, our wonderful photographer.
Hello, everyone.
And she's dressed as Flounder because she's got to match the vibe.
Absolutely.
And over here, Avery has all of his puppets that I will let him show off to you because he made them, so he should get credit.
I also made a cool box out of 2 crates from Walmart, which I'm also super proud of.
Ooh.
I have 3 characters that we can alternate between. Scuttle, who was actually the first one I built forever ago. He was for Dragon Con, wasn't he?
The rock and roll Ariel.
The newest addition this year is cute little Flounder, and everybody's favorite, who has a new head this year, because I was never really happy with the one from last year. And they just all hang out here. It's probably mostly going to be Sebastian today, but I'll interchange with Scuttle and Flounder, as long as the children aren't screaming.
Now it's kind of time for me to get dressed. I got all the rollers out of my wig. You know, I said earlier, I was like, if you know why my hot curls would, look at them now. They were dead straight last night. So this is what I did with just a roller and no heat, and then these had heat. So now I know better. And I have to heat it, and then I have to roll it, and then I have to leave it overnight. Overcomplicated. Do I look super cute in my wig cap?
You're adorable.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
There's got to be a mermaid lunch lady, right?
Of course there. those Fin Fun swim tails. I really like it.
And they discontinued it, right?
Yeah, I think they discontinued this color. Now it has like blue scales in it. I don't know. I'm all dressed now. Look at him. He's so handsome. I have 5 minutes until my first kid. She's 2, so she's pretty little. She might be scared of the puppets. We'll find out when she gets in here. Fingers crossed. She might be scared of me. I've done 2 groups so far. Oh, they asked me about my sisters, so I got to talk about that I had sisters, and there were 6 of them. I got to list all their names.
Which she actually has memorized because she's done her research. I might be able to remember them. It's like the alphabet. I've got to sing the song
But
to
they're not
know.
in age order in the song.
Oh. See, I wouldn't even know that. What a
Tina's the oldest. And then Alana.
show off.
Avery carried me into the break room so a baby could take a picture by themselves. He's a lot stronger than I am. So we're all done with the photo shoot part of the day. We're hanging out with Lorelai and Pippa and Millie and Nora. Brooke's all awesome, sweet girls. And we're gonna film some TikToks and take pictures of us. But I am done performing as Ariel. It is now time to just continue to look like Ariel, which means I can eat more snacks. I am food motivated. We are filming TikToks.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
My TikTok is Creatively Audrey, and I'm on Instagram. And this is the same name. I'm just kind of always Creatively Audrey because I'm Audrey. And most of the stuff I do would be considered creative. The rest of what I do is eating. I'm gonna go change into my normal clothes so we can go home. When I take the flipper off, I can finally like move my leg. They feel so weird. It's such a strange concept to have your ankles tied together for 4 hours. Trying to like bend my knees and move my legs separate of each other is like kind of funky. I feel like Jello. It's almost 7 now, so I'm gonna go change into like normal-ish clothes and take the wig off, and then we just pack up and we're headed home for the day.
You have glitter all over you.
My sparkly. We are home now. I made teriyaki chicken, which is delicious. We had lots of fun with the little girls. We talked about, you know, everything that little kids will let you talk about. We had a baby that I met last year when she was like brand new baby. She was so cute and little. They handed her to me. She screamed. That was the volume in such a small body. Her brother got in the photos. He was very sweet.
Her brother is a big fan of Slappy from Goosebumps, and he has no idea who he was hanging out with today.
Belle is next on the list. I've got to make that costume. That's going to be a thing. If you want to watch a video of me sewing something, there's a video of me making a Princess Anna costume that you could watch right now. That was an adventure. Thank you for joining me. I hope you come back and watch other stuff. Go forth and be awesome. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. I will see you next time. Goodbye.